Hello friends, welcome you all to Polity Simplified series of Dnyanadeep Academy. Today we'll try to understand Article 48 capital A of Indian Constitution. Basically, Article 48 capital A of Indian Constitution is about environment. It is about sustainable development. The most important thing, it is not original article of Indian Constitution. It is added into the Indian Constitution by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. As I told you yesterday or last time, 42nd Amendment Act of 1976 is famously called as mini constitution. Remember this line, Article 48A is added into the Indian Constitution by 42nd Amendment Act, and this 42nd Amendment Act is famously called as mini constitution. So what is the purpose of Article 48A? It says protection and improvement of environmental and safeguarding of the forest and wildlife. So basically, it talks about environmental protection. It talks about what are various measures that must be taken by a state to ensure sustainable development for the future generations which are going to sustain in the days to come. What are the provisions in this particular article? Let's try to understand. A very interesting article. It says that the state, as we have seen, definition of article state is given in Article 12 of Indian Constitution. It says the state shall endeavor, that is, state will make every effort. Meaning of endeavor is to make every possible effort. The state shall endeavor to protect and improve. So it is not only about protection, it is about making improvement the environment and safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country. So what happens, many a time in prelims, UPSC will talk about forest only, and UPSC will give a word, Article 48A talks about forest only. No, it talks about forest as well as wildlife of the country. This is the most important crux, or this is the way UPSC might ask you question and might make or might confuse you. This is about Article 48 capital A, about protecting and improving our forest and wildlife. Dear friends, whenever you are going to write answer about sustainable development, any essay about sustainable development, you can start your essay or answer with Article 48 capital A of Indian Constitution. That's all. Thank you.